It's so pretty. Oh my God, naiiyak ako. Hi guys! Tara, samahan niyo ako sa isang must-visit cafe sa Baguio. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Hatch Cafe. Perfect for hangouts or solo dates. Pagdating mo pa lang, ang dami mong pagpipilian. May malawak na garden for muni-muni or pictures at aesthetic indoor space kung gusto mo naman magpalamig. Plus, may playground pa for kids, so pwede ka talagang tumambay ng matagal. Habang hinihintay ko order ko, I took my time. Just walking around, enjoying the place, soaking everything in. So if you're curious about what I ordered tapsilog at chai tea. Oh my God, ang ganda ng kape nila. Shit, ang sarap. Common sa mga coffee shop dito, yung maglalagay ng brown rice for healthy living. Hindi ko alam po addicted ba yung mga taga Baguio sa pagiging healthy. But I miss my white rice. I definitely do miss my white rice. Sarap din ng suka nila. Medyo manamis siya na suka. So may timpla siya. Sarap. This food, the tapa is so lambot. Sobrang lambot, be. Hindi siya yung typical tapa na nabibili na kung saan na medyo matigas at parang rubberized at kailangan mong nguyain ng malala. Winner. Sarap nito. Kape na to. Ano pala sa kape? Chayo. Sa sobrang sarap ng food, napa-order ako ng apple pie kahit busog na ako. You need to try this. It's perfectly baked, packed with real apple fillings, and may strong cinnamon kick. I really enjoyed my time here. Super friendly pa ng stop. Pero quick tip, better if may car ka kasi medyo mahirap mag-book pabalik at bihira ang public transpo. But overall, it's worth it. It's not just a cafe. It's an experience. So, saan next?